Stay there, girlfriend. You're heavy. Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome. I hope you guys are doing well. If you're new here, hi, my name is Juliana. You can call me Juli. And if you're returning subscribers, I would like to say thank you so much for coming back. And yes, another video, more unboxing from luxury, and I am so excited to share this with you. This is my gift for myself for my birthday. I wasn't able to celebrate it because of pandemic. Sometimes there are bad things turn into good things, you know what I mean? Instead of having a birthday party, I opted to, okay, give me the money, honey. I will do my shopping. And also, I wanted to let you know that we're going to have a giveaway. If you want to learn more about that giveaway, it will be somewhere in this video. FYI, this is no Birkin, no Kelly. We're not getting there yet because I'm still in a waiting list, just to let you know. I'm still waiting for that time. And when that time comes, you'll know it. But anyway, so without further delay, let's dive into unboxing. This is part of my wish list. I reached out to my SA because I was looking for a specific amenity bag, and it's very hard to get and it's very hard to come by because they're always out of stock. Shipment from France is very seldom. It's not as frequent as pre-pandemic. I reached out to my SA and she came back to me, said, oh, one of your wish lists is already here. It's a good thing that that day a shipment came in, and she texted me and she said the bag that you're looking for is already here. So I'm so glad. So I got one. Actually, I got 1 + 1. First off, this is not part of my wish list, but saw it and I said, oh, I'm gonna get that, and it's so beautiful. So this one is a scarf, as you can see. Alright, it says here, to clean your Hermes scarves, we advise you to have them dry cleaned. And please remember that printed silk can be damaged by rain. Okay, I didn't know that. Okay, so this one is the scarf, and look at that color. I fell in love with the color right away. This is a carrot wheel Hermes story, and I love it. This scarf reminds me of the selfie era, the modern era, and you can see the selfie stick here. You know, Hermes was founded in early 19th century. It's been there for longest, and it's one of the most prestigious name brand when it comes to luxury, and I can totally understand. Their craftsmanship, their uniqueness is there. The quality and everything, the story itself, just like that. It's so beautiful. I'm looking forward to use this during winter time. So if you want to learn more about the pricing, it will be detailed on the description down below. Next up, okay, next box. This is actually for my daughter, because I know they're going on a vacation soon, so I thought about gifting her something special from Hermes. It's not much, but when it comes to Hermes, there's nothing less there. Everything is pricey. This one here is, oh, it's a beach towel, and it's so freaking soft. Let me hold it for you. I'm going to stand back, and then yes, this can be my blanket. So when I saw it, I fell in love with the color. Anything nude, anything neutral, tell me about it. That was the towel. Okay, next off. Yeah, so this one here is one of my wish lists, and I asked my SA if she has it. She told me we're going to have a shipment coming in tomorrow. I will call you. And then sure enough, she called me and she said, I have two colors. You might gonna love the other one. Okay, I said, okay, I'll meet you tomorrow. Because I was at work and I said I cannot, I'm running out of time. So I set an appointment the following day. And sure enough, she offered me this one. The first time I saw it and I said, oh my goodness, this is me. I can put everything. I can put a lot of things. So anyway, yeah. So this is the ribbon and this is it. Ooh. This one here is a makeup bag. So I got this one, this very beautiful pouch, and she said get it because this is the only one. They only got 6 pieces of this item, but this is the only color and the rest are duplicated color. So she offered this to me and she said, why don't you get it? And voila, this is so beautiful. I kid you not, I fell in love with it right away. I can put my makeup in here or anything. This is good for traveling and that's the main purpose. And I'm going to show you what's inside. They always put this bubble just to avoid deforming the product. And this is how it looks like. There's some packet inside. Basically, you can put your beauty tools or makeup product in here. This is adorable, easy breezy. And this is in the color Hibiscus. The material is canvas. And when you're done, you can put it like that. This is a fancy shancy for traveling. So next, alright, so this is my wish list and I was looking for this particular pouch. It's the same pouch that we just opened but in different size and different color. We're going to open that up. And I'm going to drink water because I'm thirsty. And you know how sweaty Betty I am right now. So this is the one. And I kid you not, my SA is one of the sweetest. This is the 3rd time I visited her. We just click right away, just like that. This is the specific exact pouch that I was looking for. This is such a beautiful color. This is the big size and this is the small size. So I got this too. So yeah, and this is so small. I can put this in my tote bag. And this is how it looks like. And it's so beautiful. The material is high grade canvas. You can put so much things in here. You can basically put a lot inside. This is in the color marine. You can use this as a regular purse. I think I got the same cat in Burberry's and it was a makeup bag. I sometimes use it as purse. If you don't want to bring too much heavy purse on your hand, you can wear this. You can dress this up. Yeah, that's the only thing. You can dress this up. This is too much to be your purse. She's so beautiful. I love it. One wish list came to life. This is something that I will adore for so many years. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I would love to invite you to please come join the gang by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell to get notified on all my video uploads. Thank you so much. I love you all. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Jesus loves you.